Okay, welcome back. This will be kind of short. I'm only going to show you 4 examples. And they're ones that we've done together on the board, but some of you are gone. So let's take a look already. We have the first one, this one here, x to the power of -2. Now, don't be afraid of it. It's not really very difficult. All it really means is that you have an x squared downstairs. So this is just a shorthand way of us writing this. So the same trick applies here. So you do 1 divided by 10 to the power of 3. Really not hard. That is the same thing as 1/1000th. So 1 divided by 1,000. Some of you have a difficult time when it is x or variable to something other than a whole number. So let's take a look at this third example here. What this really means is you have x and you're taking the square root of it. So if you knew what x was, say 100, then it would mean that you're taking the square root of 100. Now there is a little 2 there, but we don't write it. Just like when we write x, there's a 1 right there. So it'll be obvious later why that's the case. But for right now, we almost never write it there. I'm just showing you that for the illustration. Okay, let's take the fourth one. We have x to the power of 3/2. Now, the 2 part down here, that's going to be this part, the square root of it. And the 3 right there, we put there. So it is the square root of x times the square root of x times the square root of x. So if you had 100 and you wanted to put it into, say, the calculator, and you wanted to the power of 3/2, all you would have to do is do 1, 0, 0, that little chevron button that I showed you, it looks like an arrow, and then do a parenthesis, and either 3 divided by 2, but you know that's 1.5, so you could just do this, 1.5, and then hit the enter button, and it'll show you what the 3/2 power of 100 is. So, okay, that'll do for this time. I'll see you next time.